Hey buddy, what's wrong? You gotta push it? Did it get stuck? Oh, okay, get back in. Put it in reverse. So you put it all the way to the floor. Push your shifter, no, all the way down. Push it down. Come here, buddy. Push your shifter down. Okay, now try. There you go, keep doing it. Good job. Okay, now you can go forward. Stop, you can go forward now. No, put it the other way. Hey buddy, go forward. AJ, go forward now. Yeah, go that way. No, other way. Stop. You're gonna get stuck. Go forward. There you go. Don't run into mommy's car. It's too late to make it go.